Come on, girls. Let's not be too late for our special beach party. Hurry up if you want to make it.
Yeah!
Come on, beach party! Swimming!
Yeah! Woo! Cut it.
Oh, I love you guys.
I love you more like Jupiter.
I love you so much. You are my best sister.